Good afternoon. We will be doing your part 7 of chapter 2, Nature of Proposition. To symbolize the propositions, we need to know this table and to identify them also. So propositional connectives used are not, it is false that, it is not true that, it is not the case that, none, never. So the truth functional compound proposition is negative and the logical constant used is curl. Propositional connectives are and, but, yet, while, still, though, although, nevertheless, in spite, moreover, neither nor means not this and not that. So it's a truth functional compound proposition is conjunctive and the symbol used is dot. When we have propositional connectives either or the simply or, and the truth functional compound proposition is disjunctive and the logical constant used is which. Then propositional connectives, if we have if then, in case, unless, that is if not then, or only if, then the truth functional compound proposition is material, implicative, or conditional, and the logical constant used is horseshoe. Then the propositional connectives when used are if and only if then the truth functional compound proposition will be material equivalent or biconditional, and the logical constant used will be triple bar. Now we come to the exercise. Identify and symbolize the following propositions using symbols given in the brackets. So we are supposed to use only those symbols which are given in the bracket for the propositions. Godavari is not a lake, and G is given for Godavari is a lake. And for not, we are using the symbol curl. And what type of statement it is? Negative statement. Let us see the component. Godavari is a lake and the connective is not. So it is negative proposition. Symbolic form will be curl G. Second, Amit bought shirts and trousers. So S for Amit bought shirts and Amit bought trousers is T. Connective here is and. So Amit bought shirt is first conjunct and the second is Amit bought trousers. So it is a conjunctive proposition. The symbolic form will be S dot T. Now we come to the third. Either Lata sings well or Asha sings well. So Lata sings well is the first component, that is disjunct, where L is used, and Asha sings well where A is given, and either or is the connective, and the first disjunct is Lata sings well and the second disjunct is Asha sings well. And this proposition is disjunctive proposition. Symbolic form will be L wedge A. Both, if Kapil wins a toss, then Sunil will bat first. So Kapil wins a toss is the antecedent. It is K, and Sunil will bat first will be S. That is consequent, and if then is the connective. So now it is implicative proposition, material implicative or conditional proposition. Symbolic form will be K horseshoe S. Now we come to the next. If and only if the plane figure has 6 sides, then it is a hexagon. So the plane figure has 6 sides is S and it is a hexagon is H, and the connective used is if and only if then. So what type of statement it is? It is material equivalent or biconditional proposition. and the components will be the plane figure has 6 sides and it is a hexagon, and the symbol used is triple bar. So symbolic form will be S triple bar H. Now sixth, a child can do this work but not an adult. So the main connective will be but. And what is the first component, that is conjunct? A child can do this work. And the second conjunct will be child is not an adult. So C for child can do the work and A for not an adult. Here again there is a connective in the second part of the conjunct. And second component, that is second conjunct. The connective is not. So it is going to be a conjunctive proposition because it is the main connective is but. But, and the symbolic form will be C dot curl A because not is there in the second conjunct. Now we come to the 7. Either it is a peacock or not a peacock. Now it is a peacock, P is given, and either or is the connective, main connective. First component is it is a peacock. Second component is it is not a peacock. So not is the second connective. So P for peacock. And what type of statement it is? Disjunctive proposition because either or is used. And the symbol used is wedge. So we are going to write P wedge curl P because not is there for the second disjunctive. Now we come to the 8th one. In case it is late, I will not come for the picnic. So late, it is late is the first component and I will not come for the picnic is the second component. And in case and comma is the main connective. So here it is a material implicative or conditional proposition, and the first antecedent is it is late and the consequent is I will not come for the picnic. Antecedent is affirmative proposition, so L will have horseshoe. Consequent is a negative proposition, so curl P. And it is material implicative or conditional proposition. Now 9, I will go for a movie if and only if I get ticket. So if I get ticket is T and I will go for a movie is M, and if and only if is the connective. So when we have the connective if and only if, we use triple bar. It is a material equivalent or biconditional proposition. The symbolic form will be I will go for a movie is first component, I will get a ticket is the second component. Symbolic form will be T triple bar M. So we write here if and only if I get a ticket, then I will go for the movie. Okay. Both the ways if you write also you will get correct. Now we come to the next. It is false that the rose is red and the lotus is white. So the whole proposition, the rose is red and the lotus is white, is negated. So the main connective will be it is false that. And in the bracket we have another connective and. In that we have two components, that is the rose is red and the second component is the lotus is white. So it is a negative proposition and the symbolic form is curl into bracket R dot L. Now we come to the 11th one. Neither sunflower nor mayflower are fragrant. S and M. Sunflower is S and mayflower is M. Now the main connective is neither nor, so we have to transform this into not this and not that. So sunflower is not fragrant and mayflower is not fragrant. So main connective is and the other connectives means conjuncts are negative propositions. Two negative conjuncts are there joined by and. So first is sunflower is not fragrant and the second is mayflower is not fragrant. Here not is there and there also not is there. So it will be curl S dot curl M, and it is a conjunctive preposition. Now we come to the next 12th. Unless you are satisfied, you are unhappy. So it will be S for satisfied, and for you are satisfied and you are unhappy is you. So unless we have to transform this sentence into if not then form. So if you are not satisfied, then you are unhappy. Okay. So now here it will be main connective will be if then, and the antecedent will be you are not satisfied, and the consequent will be you are unhappy. Here not is there in the antecedent is negative preposition. So you will have curl S or show you, and it is material implicative or conditional preposition. Now we come to the 13th one. Wife is honest while a husband cannot be trusted. Here while is the main connective, and the first component is wife is honest, and the second conjunct is her husband cannot be trusted. The second conjunct is denied. There is a not in it. So how will you do it? It's a conjunctive preposition, and the symbolic form will be H dot curl T. And we come to the 14th one. Unless you are determined to do, you will not be able to achieve the goal. This we will have to transform into if then form. So unless means if not. So we will have if you are not determined to do, then you will not be able to achieve the goal. So it will be main connective will be if then, and the first antecedent will be you are not determined to do, and the consequent will be you will not be able to achieve the goal. Here the antecedent has not, and the consequent also has a not. So it will be an implicative preposition, material implicative or conditional, and the symbolic form will be curl D horseshoe curl G. Now we come to the 15th one. If and only if he receives the training, then he will be successful. Here the connectives are if and only if then. And the components are he receives the training and he will be successful. So it is a biconditional or material equivalent preposition, and the symbolic form will be T triple bar S. Now we come to the 16th one. If whale is not a fish, then it is a mammal and it is warm-blooded. So we have three prepositions here. W for whale is a fish, then whale is a mammal is M, and it is warm-blooded is B. So if then is the main connective, and the antecedent has is whale is not a fish, consequent is it is a mammal and it is warm-blooded. In the antecedent we have the word not, and in the consequent we have the word and. So it is the symbolic form will be curl W horseshoe into bracket M dot B, because there is a bracket because dot is a dyadic connective, whereas the antecedent has a monadic connective, so no bracket is required, and it is material implicative or conditional preposition. In the next class we will continue the same exercise. Thank you.